Quantitative data collection method. In this quantitative data collection, that is also one of the tool in primary data collection type. Primary data collection. What is the need of primary data collection? To known to unknown information going to be presented by the research scholar. So primary data, it was not yet published by the any author. Unknown information going to be presented by the research scholar, that is primary data. So through sampling, questionnaire and etc methods, interview etc methods, information may be collected by the research scholars and they will be inserted in data analysis, and then finally they will generate new theory. So in this primary data collection, it was classified into two types: qualitative data collection and quantitative data collection. Qualitative data collection and quantitative data collection. Qualitative data collection means which is discusses about the numbers and figures, that is quantitative data collection. Numbers and figures and data analysis, which is based on samples and questionnaire and interview etc. And qualitative data collection. Qualitative data collection means that is in the form of meaning, definition, scope and importance and explanation about the research area. That is qualitative primary data collection method. Now we should discuss about the quantitative data collection method. In this primary data collection, we should gather essential and important raw material, raw data collection, needy data collection from the source, that is called as primary data. Needy. If there is availability of resource, we are collecting only needy data among the availability source, that is primary data. Quantitative data collection. In this quantitative data collection, it was classified into several types. Initially, probability sampling. Probability sampling means simple random sampling and purpose sampling, simple random sampling, systematic sampling, simple random sampling, systematic sampling and area sampling etc. These are probability sampling. So in this quantitative data collection, that is based on numbers and figures in the form of probability sampling, simple random sampling, systematic sampling etc. These are tools in data collection. Samples may be collected by the research scholar in the form of numbers and figures. So probability sampling also one of the data collection tool in quantitative data collection type. So everybody should know about the scholars must know about the probability sampling. Again, it was classified into some other type, non-probability sampling also. Non-probability sampling. And again, interviews may be classified into direct interview, indirect interview, phone call interview, face-to-face interview and computer assisted interview. There are several types of interview. So it is collected by the researcher in the form of numbers and figures through availability resource. Interview also one of the quantitative data collection technique tool by the scholar you can use. And surveys and questionnaire generally in election movement and based on poverty, based on unemployment and illiteracy and state development and etc. based reasons. Survey method may be applied. Population data collecting survey method utilized by the scholar. And school census data, that is also based on surveys and questionnaire, structured questionnaire, unstructured questionnaire and simple questionnaire and general questionnaire and official questionnaire also prepared by the scholar which was based on numbers and figures, and that is going to be presented by the scholar in quantitative data collection type. So that is also one of the technique tool of quantitative data collection tool. And observation also one of the data collection tool which was going to be presented by the scholar. Direct observation, indirect observation, participant observation, non-participant observation, that was utilized to collect primary data in quantitative data collection tool. That is also one of the important data collection tool by the scholar. This was applied by the scholar. And documental review also one of the quantitative data collection tool. This was applied to collect public records, to collect data from public records and personal review of the personal documents, verification of the personal documents and physical evidence. These are the basis to collect documental review. This documental review also one of the quantitative data collection review, that is based on numbers and figures. So a researcher or author, he can collect more information from this government office, which is essential to present his data. That is also one of the important technique which was used by the scholar. And performance data also one of the quantitative data collection tool which is going to be applied by the scholar. So based on the performance of the institutions or organizations or associations or individuals, that was applied by the scholar. And school census data collection, that is also relating to the quantitative data collection tool, that was applied by the scholar to analyze about the data. And resource allocation means the scholar must identify, he should allocate to collect more information from the selected area, raw material, that is resource allocation. And door-to-door data collection tool, in this quantitative data collection, door-to-door data collection, that is based on numbers and figures, that is also one of the important quantitative data collection tool. Door-to-door, that is original and reliable information which was collected by the scholar. To apply this type of method, quantitative data collection tool. And election type polls, in whenever election commission going to conduct elections in the states, in this moment media, non-governmental organizations, they are going to they will try to know about the voice of the people, that is through exit polls. They want to release people's voice before announcement of the results, that is in the form of exit polls, that is election type of results. that is also one of the quantitative data collection tool. And teachers and lecturers data collection, that is also one of the reliable original data collection regarding quantitative data collection tool. This is one of the important quantitative data collection tool. Every scholar must know to analyze about the primary data by the scholar. Without collection of the data, to applying these methods, quantitative techniques and qualitative techniques, there is no analysis of data.